Okay, physics students, coming from you from a different office in the Hennings International Empire of Education. This is what I want you to do with today's assignment. First one, you're going to watch these videos. They'll be posted as soon as I finish this, right? There'll be some videos down here. Watch those. They'll be short. Next, 1.5 is see Flipgrid responses. I've been loving Flipgrid. You can hear my daughters arguing downstairs. You can see Flipgrid responses. I've been typing into them, and I've also been sending video responses. So I'm not quite sure what it looks like from your end, but I am responding to every Flipgrid thing. I love Flipgrid, so get used to it. Number 2, you guessed it, positive physics. Yesterday you were taking notes, right? Again, on the blue and red aspects of Unit 5, I believe it was. Let's pull it up here. Unit 5, rotational motion. So you reviewed sort of the ideas behind it. A little laggy here. These reviews, today I want you to practice it, and then you can expect then I'm going to give you some AP stuff next. Right? So today you're going to do the positive physics version of that. So what do I want you to do in positive physics? Now, I'm going to assign a little bit more than I usually do, and I'm going to give you 2 days to do it here. So Unit 14, torque complete problems 2. There's 4 problems total, so I'll show you what that looks like. Unit 14 is torque, complete problems 2, and there's 4 problems. So do it. There's some resources here if you've forgotten how to apply the mathematics of it. The creator of positive physics does a pretty good job explaining the 2 main types of problems. He'll show you there. The other thing I want you to work on then is we're going to also do Unit 15, rotational motion, and I'm assigning a total of 6 problems. 2 for angular motion, 2 for angular momentum, 2 for rotational energy. Right, I'll show you that. We go to Unit 15, and here they are. Rotational motion, angular momentum, rotational problems, and there is 2, 2, and 2 problems each, right? These ones, there's no video solutions there or video help. If you need help, come see me during office hours, right? That's what the other video that will be up there is posted about. And then finally, what do I want you to do with that? I want you to reflect on your learning. I'm going to ask you a couple questions about these topics in the Flipgrid. I'm going to give you 2 days to do this. So tomorrow's post will just say, hey, finish this up. That means on Thursday, I'll push out a couple AP level problems on these topics for you to practice. All right. So if you're struggling, right, there's videos there. It's open world. It's open resource. And remember, I'm having office hours every day. I got a whiteboard set up to help you with problems 3 to 4. You've been emailed a link to that Google Meet session. Okay, guys, good luck, and contact me if you're having problems.